Let me show you how you can be free from witchcraft attack, curse breaker. If anybody did any charm that is working against you, or there is a generational curse that is following you, or there are witches in the family that don't want you to progress, let me teach you how to break free from any form of setback, promise, or fail, whatever it is that they have done that is working against you. Let me teach you how to work, how to break free from it. This one only work if that thing has already been done, not to prevent what will happen. This one will always spoil what has already been done. This one will destroy what has already been done that is working against you. So if you are the kind of person that money does not stay in your heart, money does not come to you, this video is for you. Okay, once you do this, that generational curse that is following you, you will set yourself free once and for all. What are you going to do? You are going to get egg. You are going to get egg, local egg. If you cannot have access to local egg, use any available egg. Then you are going to get palm oil. Okay, so if you want to do this for yourself, you just put the egg inside the palm oil. After you have put the egg inside the palm oil, then you use your middle. When you are doing this process, you are going to use your left hand. That's you use your left hand to put this egg inside the oil. Don't use your right hand. All the process will be done with your right hand. And while you put the egg inside the oil, then you visit this middle finger to rub the oil. Let the oil rub on the egg totally. Then when you are done rubbing the oil on it, then you make your intentions that anything at all that is working against you, being it the witchcraft spell, being it from the witchcraft, from the covo, being it a deity that somebody have laid curse on you, being it that you offended somebody that the person speaks some word that is working against you, being it generational cause, that this is what you break free from any form of whatever it is that is working against you. Remember, the process has to be your left hand, because spiritually, left signify we don't want, while right signify we want. That's why some things that you think happens by chance, they don't happen by chance. That's why we used to tell people, when you enter the toilet, because toilet there are a lot of spirits there, most are bad, you enter there with left leg and come outside with right leg. And when you are going to a court, for example, for you to be set free, you enter the court with your left leg, that is not what the negativity there, then you come out with your right leg. So you always enter where you don't want to absorb the negativity, you don't want anything bad to happen to you there with your left leg, and you come out with your right leg. So those are spiritual rules. All the process have to be done with your left hand. Then when you are done making that prayers on it, make sure the oil rub all over the body. Then you gotta break it in a junction. You can actually do this for somebody as well. If you want to do this for somebody, what you are going to do is that you use the palm oil instead of you to rub the egg all over. You just use your middle finger, touch the palm oil, write the person's name. If the person's name is John, you use palm oil to write John on the egg. When you are done making the prayer, being it for yourself or for the person, then you go out, you use it to rub your head several times anti-clockwise with your left hand. Then you go and break it on a junction. That's if you are doing it for yourself. Use it to rub your head anti-clockwise, then you go and break it on a junction. But if you are doing it for somebody, you just write the person's name on it. When you are done writing the person's name on the egg, then you go and break the egg on the junction. Your own, you write it on your head before you go and break it on the junction. But for the person, you just write the person's name on it, then you now go and break it on the junction. Okay, if you find this video helpful, do well to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss other important videos from me. See you guys in the next video.